How to add an event staff on Casa. Make sure 1. You've signed into your account. 2. You have permission to manage events. Then go to the Event Admin page from the left side navigation menu. Click on the name of your preferred event. Then scroll to the Event Staff section on this screen. Click on the Add Event Staff button and fill out the details of your staff. Click on the Save New Event Staff button to save your changes. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Explore more features on www.events.casa.me.